Mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa CBC no uguthie na mbere ona thutha wa itena ria wathani wa thirikari ya Jubilee kuinekerera. Akiaria kaunti-ini ya Machakos, Minister wa githomo George Magoha ni agithitie kiene miario ya ateti aria makoretwo magiukirira mutaratara uyu.
So I'm not worried. I would want my granddaughter, my dearest granddaughter, to go through CBC. This is a system that's in many African countries and in many countries in the world.
Magoha augite ndari na ihinda ria gwikaniria miario na atongoria akiuteti, akiuga ihinda riria ritigaririire ni ria kunyabara tabarira iria itigaririire.
I'm not speaking for the government that is going to come. I am serving His Excellency Uhuru-Kenyatta's government. I want to live with it. I don't believe in sticking around doing nothing. When the new government comes, I think the Kenyan people are intelligent enough to decide to tell you if you want to be too political, that you stop there.
Miario ya Magoha yukite thekondari tu thutha wa ndumiriri ya mutongoria wa kiama kia ANC Musalia Mudavadi akiuga thirikari iria kuyukia wathani thutha wa ithurano cia mweri wa kanana nigateaniria mutaratara wa githomo wa CBC.
We shall scrap the CBC program and put an education program ambayo inaeleweka na Wakenya wote.
Umuthi Magoha egucerete kaunti-ini ya Kiambu na Machakos kwenye fara waki wa irathi uria rathie na mbere akiuga gicunje kia 60 hari igana kia ikereka ria mbere ria waki uyu ni kirikiriirie.
Less than 100 schools which have not started. That's a very small percentage. But what we are happy about as government is that everybody is eager and willing to construct, even though these classrooms only cost 788,000 shillings.
Ihinda-ini riu akiuga mafuku ma aruto a grade ya gatandatu ni macabithitio na arutani kuharirika uria kwagiriire.
The grade 6 books are being distributed as we speak now. We have distributed more than 70% of grade 6 books so that when the children go to classroom by May at the end of the examination, the books will be there.
Hadini ha Kameme TV, Yetagogena, Wawadurwa.